here's how you can change button size in Shopify. So you can easily change button size by doing the simple steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end and you copy every single step. So if you don't like skip like any part of this video, you won't get it and you won't be able to like change your button size. So first of all, let's talk about what are buttons. So buttons are used primarily for actions such as add, close, cancel, or save. So buttons are like for mostly are in your website that you use, and they look similar to links, and they're very important for your settings and shopping settings. So yeah, the button label is that text that will appear to call to action on the website. So as y'all know, most of y'all should know what button is, but yeah. So how do you change the button size? So it's pretty simple, but like most of the people think that it's very hard because it includes coding. So yes, there are two ways on how you can change button size, but in this video I'm gonna show you the coding way, and I think the coding way is like very easy. But guys, you make sure you watch like every single step. So if you don't, you can literally miss out and you can like do a risky step. So let's check what product I have right now. So I got two products right now, but I don't currently have a website for them. But yeah, as you all know that you can make a website and you can either purchase it or get one for free. So in the trial account. So when you purchase it, you get your own website and you can just it will automatically add buttons in it. So in the button section, you can change the buttons in it and do like stuff. But you if you don't know how you can change the button size, so guys, it's very simple. Just don't worry. Most of the time think that it's very hard and no one can do this, but it's very easy. So first of all, you have to go to online store right over here. So in online store, you get many options: blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. But you straight up click on online store and it will bring up to themes. So in themes, be careful. Like you don't have to click customize or pick a plan or do nothing. But as all can see, in my current theme done, and let's check if I can I can view my store. So yeah, I'm just gonna click, and as all can see, I have my products right over here. So it is a theme, and as all can see, so these are basically the buttons as I was telling y'all earlier, add to cart or buy it now. So how do you resize those buttons and how do you change it? So it's pretty basic. Yeah, as you can see, so these two products right now, and how do I change their button? So we go back and we are here, and I'm just gonna click on these three icons as you all can see right next to customization. I'm just gonna click on it and I'm getting many options over here. So you don't have to click preview, you don't have to click rename, you don't have to click duplicate or download theme file. You just have to go to edit code. So when you go to edit code, it will bring up this whole coding section. So most of you all will be worried, like you'll be saying like, where are we, and you won't understand what is it. So don't get lost in it. I'm just going to tell you the simplest way on how you can do this. So you just go to theme.liquid right over here. When you go over here, just click on it, and as all can see, there's a lot of coding right over here. It's basically the website's coding, and you don't want to change anything from here. As you can see, it's a lot. As you can see, it goes up to 353 lines. So how do you find the exact coding line that you want to change and put your own change size button? So you basically have to press Control plus F, and it will bring up this. So if you're on PC, you just have to press Control plus F, or if you're on MacBook, just press Command or F, and you'll see find. So once you see find, just press /head. So once you do this, press next, and as all can see, it showed me the head. So what I have to do right over here is I have to press enter and give it a space. And when I gave it a space, so as all know, there are like many coding types, and you can just choose whatever you want and resize the image, and you can resize the image, you can resize any type of button. So this time it's for button, and you can just put the coding and do the coding yourself if you know the coding languages and stuff like that. But we don't have the coding, so I simply made a coding button resizing a code that y'all can use, and it's very useful that anybody can use for their website or product selling. So as y'all can see, you literally have to copy this whole thing. I'm just gonna put this whole thing in my description. You all can copy this. So just copy this. All right. When you copy this, go back to the main website, and as y'all can see right over here, 283. So in 283, you have to make sure you don't put it down or you don't put it up. So the reason why I'm saying this is the coding always comes on top of head. So you must put the coding on top of head, otherwise it won't help you. So you seriously have to put the coding on top of it. How do you put it? You just do this and press paste, and there we go. We got the whole thing right over here. And as you can see, it says product from buttons, product from product into wrapper. So it basically says the width and px of this that thing that we got. So guys, I'm serious. I'm literally telling you, if you do this step carefully, you can just do this. And as you can see, when you've done this, the head will be on 290 and your stuff is increased, like you have done successfully. But you have to make sure that you haven't moved anything or ruined anything in the theme liquid, or you can possibly end up losing your own page. So in this area, be careful. Like I showed you, do the exact thing, and once you do the exact thing successfully, it won't change anything. Just press save, and as you can see, it's telling me as it's saved. I'm just gonna go back and exit, and we're just gonna wait for the code to apply. It will usually take an hour or two. So I just applied the code right now. As you can see, I just applied the code in front of you. So just wait an hour for this, and it will basically show you your buttons to resizable stuff. So yeah, you just have to wait, or you can either buy buttons, but we don't want to buy buttons. We already have add to cart and buy it now. We just simply resize them. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can change button size in Shopify. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.